Hi, and welcome to RPM Telco. Today we're going to be talking about adjustments. Now, adjustments are direct manipulations of the commission data and totals in RPM, and the adjustments only affect the current run they are on. Now, if you want to start an adjustment, the first place you want to go to is the top left menu into latest run. It'll be at the very bottom left here. Now, generally when you want to start an adjustment is when you want to either true up from a previous run, or if you want to assign some bonuses to certain agencies, or if a supplier has paid you late or hasn't paid you at all and you need to create some sort of money amount without tying it to a commission item. An adjustment is the perfect way to do this. It can also be used if, say, you have a small-time master agent or supplier that you only ever deal with maybe one or two commission items from, and they don't provide you a spreadsheet. Maybe you just want to enter the money amounts into RPM so we can help you keep track of it rather than creating a spreadsheet just for one or two items. Adjustment, it just allows you to put in commissions. So the first thing you want to do when starting an adjustment is just come up to the very top, hit add an adjustment, and from here you can choose a supplier if one is already created in RPM. It pulls from your direct suppliers list. So if you can't find a supplier in here, you just need to add the supplier from your suppliers list. And then an adjustment always has to be assigned to an agency, whether it be yourself, the house account, or a sales partner. And from here you can enter a sales commission. Now if you're assigning it to the house account, you wouldn't need to put in a sales commission because that would be a gross commission. In this case, if you want to enter just a gross commission to the house account, it does need to come from a specific supplier. And you'll notice that after entering a supplier, you can now enter the net billed and the gross commission. Whereas if you left it blank, you wouldn't have the option to, which is fine if you want to just say send a bonus amount to HQ wired here as an example. And that's it. If you have any questions or concerns about adjustments or anything in general, please send us an email at support@rpmtelco.com and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.